Why my WhatsApp stickers keep disappearing? Fix. So this problem could be caused by an outdated version of the application or by the overload information that it currently holds. To fix this, first thing we can try is to update the WhatsApp to make sure that we are able to use the maximum function of the application without any bugs and any errors. So go to your App Store, click on the search icon and type in WhatsApp here. Make sure that this blue button says open. If it says update, then go ahead and update the application first. After updating, check your WhatsApp and the stickers should be there already. Now if this didn't work, what we can do next is to delete the cache of the WhatsApp. To do this, go to the settings application of your device. Now tap on General, iPhone Storage, and then in this page, find WhatsApp, click on Offload App, and then after offloading, reinstall it. This will remove and refresh all the information that the application currently holds. Once it's installed again, you can check your stickers and it should work now. So that is how to fix WhatsApp stickers disappearing. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.